welcome to another Simply Happy Time with Emmy. This time we're gonna make a simple, very easy, very tasty homemade popcorn using a Betty Crocker popcorn maker. We need dried corn kernels, cooking oil, for flavor, melted butter, salt, or powdered salt, and any other seasoning that you really like. Now let's prepare our Betty Crocker popcorn maker. Let's plug it on. Pour some oil on it, about a quarter cup. Then 3/4 cup of the corn kernels. Now put the cover on. Press the on button. Now the machine is gradually warming up. A few minutes later, the corn kernels start popping up. Ooh! Smells good. Ganda. Now the popcorn is cooked. Turn it off. Simply flip the machine and use the bottom part as the bowl. Then season with just simple salt or melted butter or any seasoning the way you like it. Now enjoy your tasty homemade popcorn with family and friends. It is very easy and simple to prepare using the Betty Crocker popcorn maker. Thank you for watching once again, and don't forget to subscribe at Simply Emmy. Thanks for watching. See you next time.